Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list because I'd like to start with showing you the way to block a number which we've got currently saved. So let's open the contacts, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then tap on this info icon. Now we have to tap on More, so the three dots icon in the right lower corner, and then tap on Block Contact. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So if you're ready, just tap on Block. And as you can see, we've got the small icon here which informs us that this number has been blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back, and right now it does not really matter whether we will be on the contacts recent or the keypad as far as I remember. All we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon and tap on the settings. Now let's tap on block numbers, which is at the very top. And right now we've just entered the blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts, so the previous option also works. As you can see here, we've got also this contacts toggle, so we can tap on it, enter the contact list, and again we can block something here, but this way is probably better if you want to block a lot of contacts, because as you can see, you can simply mark them and then add them to the blacklist. The recents again, so you will enter the recents and the same situation like I've just shown you in the contacts. What is more, here you've got this kind of manual option, so you can simply tap here and the keypad will be opened. You can enter the number, you can paste it if you've got it copied, and then tap on this plus icon to add it to the blacklist. What is more, we've got this option, block calls from unknown numbers. You can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, so it may be useful. If you want to unblock the number, simply tap on this minus icon and the number will be unblocked. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.